Welcome to our channel. Now we can learn today locus object type questions. Okay, first one is the perimeter of a triangle is 20 units. Perimeter of triangle is equal to 20 units, and the points -2, -3 and -2, 3 are two of the vertices of each triangle. Vertices are given -2, -3 and -2, 3. The locus of the third vertex is 100. Now like this, it is the triangle. It is vertices are is given. It is the A, it is the B. A is equal to here -2, -3. B is equal to this -2, 3. Let third vertex, it is the P, X, Y. It is given here. Perimeter of triangle is given. How much here? 20 units. That means perimeter of triangle is equal to PA plus PB plus AB equal to how much is given? 20. Now given here, given PA plus PB plus AB is equal to, is given 20 units. It is the perimeter of triangle. Now we know that AB answer find out here. Now that means AB plus PB. AB is equal to, write down here, find out here. AB is equal to, it is the distance between of A and B. Now x1 minus x2 whole square, that means -2 minus that means +2 whole square, and -3. Now it is the -3 whole square. Now AB equal to under root of -2 plus 2, answer is the 0. -3 -3 -6 whole square. -6 whole square answer is the 36. That means AB is equal to here 6 only. It is the distance. We take positive only. That means AB is equal to 6 is equal to 20. Now that PA plus PB is equal to 20. Now 6, it will be go to right side. Next we get, it is the -6. PA plus PB is equal to 20 minus 16. Answer is the 14. Now it is the PA plus PB is equal to 14. Find out the here locus of P. Now we know that one shortcut, A is equal to A comma B, B is equal to A comma minus B, and our condition, and PA plus PB is equal to K. Then locus of P is, we know that here, notice here x coefficients are equal in A and B and points, and B coordinates are opposite. Then we know that shortcut, it is the 4 of x minus A whole square by denominator is the k square minus 4b square plus 4y square by k square is equal to 1. We know that it is shortcut. Now here look there, x coordinates are equal, here -2 -2, y coordinates are here -3 +3. Now apply this formula. Now where A is equal to how much here? -2. B is equal to how much here? Only write there 3, not -3. And now K is equal to how much here? K is equal to PA plus PB is equal to K. That means K is equal to how much here? 14. Now substitute here, 4 of x minus A. A answer is the -2. And now right here +2 whole square by denominator is the k square. K square answer is the 14 square. 14 square answer is the 196 minus of 4 into b square. B answer is the 3. 3 answer means 9. 3 square means 9 plus 4y square by denominator is the k square. K square answer is the 14 square. It is the 196 is equal to 1. Now here 4 of x plus 2 whole square. Now denominator is the 196 minus, it is the 36 plus 4y square by 196 is equal to 1. Now it is 4 of x plus 2 whole square by denominator is the 196 minus 36. It is answer is the 160. Now here plus, it is the 4 ones 4 house, and the 4 4 ja 16, 4 9 ja. Now A is equal to y square by 49 is equal to 1. X plus 2 whole square, and now here 4 ones 4, 40. Now it is a x plus 2 whole square by denominator is the 40 plus y square by 49 is equal to 1. It is the locus of P. Now look the option now here, x plus 2 whole square by 40 plus y square by 49. Now it is now here plus only. Okay, now it is the x plus 2 whole square by 40 plus y square by 49 is equal to 1. Now option is the first one, and that means A is the option. Next one is the locus of the point A sec theta B tan theta, where 0 less than or equal to theta is less than 2 pi. That means theta is lies between of 0 and 2 pi. Is options are given, and find out the locus here. Now first, now here let P x comma y be a point on locus. Be a point of locus. Now the locus of the point is given. Now that means here, and that means P x comma y is equal to given point. That means A sec theta and B tan theta. Now both sides compare the x is equal to here A sec theta, y is equal to B tan theta. Now that means it is the x is equal to A sec theta and y is equal to B tan theta. Now write it is answer is the x by A sec theta. Now write it is here y by B is equal to tan theta. Now we know that here sec square theta minus tan square theta, answer we know that 1. Now we know that here we know that x square by sec square theta minus tan square theta, answer is the 1. Now here sec theta answer is the x by A, and sec square theta answer is the x by A whole square. Now tan theta answer is y by B here, and that means y by B whole square is equal to 1, and it is the meaning x square by A square y square by B square is equal to 1. Locus of the P are given point x square by A square minus y square by B square is equal to how much is the 1. It is the C is the option. Next one here, the locus of the represented by x is equal to 3 of cos theta plus sin theta and y is equal to 2 of cos theta minus sin theta is, and now find out the locus of x and y. Now it is the meaning given x is equal to how much here, 3 of cos theta minus sin t, cos t plus sin t, and y is equal to is given 2 of cos t minus sin t. Now write it is answer is here x by 3 is equal to cos t plus sin t. Now it is and here y by 2 is equal to cos t minus sin t. Now do there here cos t plus sin t, cos t minus sin t, both sides square and add it. Now that means here cos t plus sin t whole square plus and cos t minus sin t whole square. Now it is answer is cos t plus sin t, answer we know that x by 3 whole square plus cos t minus sin t, answer we know that here y by 2 whole square. Now it is the a plus b whole square form plus a minus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, it is answer is the 2 of a square plus b square. It is the formula. Now here x substitute is the cos t, b substitute is the sin t. Now it is answer is 2 of a square. A square means cos square t plus b square. B square means sin square t. Sin square t is equal to right here. Now it is the x square by 3 square means 9 plus y square by 2 square means 4. Now we know that cos square t plus sin square t, answer is the 1. 2 of 1 is equal to x square by 9 plus y square by 4. 2 నేను చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాను. దట్ మీన్స్ అంటే x square by 2 into 9 is the 18 plus y square by 2 into 4 is the 8 is equal to 1. అంటే required locus is x square by 18 plus y square by 8 equal to 0. It is the C is the option, x square by 18 and y square by 8 equal to 1. Now here the line joining 5 comma 0 to 10 cos theta comma 10 sin theta is divided internally in the ratio 2:3 at P, the locus of P. Now find out the locus of P and now it let here P x comma y be a point on locus. It is the first condition. Now here the line joining 5 comma 0 to 10 cos theta comma 10 sin theta divide in the ratio 2:3, and that means it is the let it is the A, it is the B. Now here let A is equal to how much here 5 comma 0, B is equal to it is the 10 cos theta and 10 sin theta. Now is divided internally. ఏమొస్తుంది లైన్ జాయినింగ్ ఏమిస్తుందంటే పిఏ పిబి అనేది ఏం చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఇంటర్నల్గా ఏ రేషియో ఒకట 2:3లో ఏమొస్తుంది డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి అప్పుడు ఏమంటుంది దేర్ ఫోర్ పిఏ ఈజ్ టు పిబి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్ ఈస్ గివెన్ ఇయర్ 2:3. నౌ both side divided by here 3. Now PA is to PB is equal to, now write the 2/3 and 3/3 right there here. Now that means PA is to PB is equal to 2/3 is to 3/3. Answer is the 1. We know that one formula here. PA is to PB is equal to K is to 1. K is not equal to 1, then locus of P is circle. Locus of P is a circle. It is the shortcut formula. PA is to PB is equal to K is to 1. K is not equal to 1, then locus of P is a circle. Sir, here look the here K is equal to how much here 2/3 is not equal to 1. Now it is the meaning here K is equal to 2/3 is not equal to 1, and now here locus of P is equal to locus of P is a circle. Now and it is the answer is here circle. Circle is the third option, or is the C. Next one here, the equation to the locus of a point which moves so that the sum of distance from 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0 is less than 9 is. Now it is given here, it is the 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. Sum of distance is less than 9, and that means locus is the P, and now let here P x comma y be a point on locus. It is the first condition. Now it is the sum of distance from 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. Now let it is the A answer, it is the BA, and that means here condition is the PA plus PB, sum of distance from, and P to A distance is the PA, P to B distance is the PB, sum and PA plus PB is less than 9 is given. Now it is the less than 9, it is the condition. Now find out the locus of P here. Now PA is less than, write down like this, it is the 9 minus PB. We take both sides square, that means PA square is less than, it is the A minus B whole square form, that means A square answer is the 81. 9 square means now 2 9 ja 18 into PB plus PB square. Now PA square write down like this, PA square PB square. Now take it is left side, now that means PB square now is less than 81 minus 18 into PB. Now write the PA. Now P means x comma y, A answer is the 3 comma 0, that means x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is the PA square. Here minus right. Now PB, now P answer is the x comma y, B answer is the minus 3 comma 0. x1 minus x2, it is a negative, now write it is the plus, and that means x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square now is less than, it is the 81 minus 18 into PB. Now it is the right x minus 3 whole square, here it is the minus of x plus 3 whole square. Now like that, here plus y square, here minus y square. It is the 0. Now y minus 0 whole square plus y square minus of into plus minus y square is 0 is less than 81 minus 18 into PB. We know that it is the a minus b whole square minus of a plus b whole square. Answer is, we know that it is the minus 4ab. A minus b whole square minus x a plus b whole square. Answer, we know that it is the minus 4ab. 4 into a answer is the x, b answer is the 3 is less than 81 minus 18 into PB. Now it is answer is the 4 into 3 answer is the minus 12x is less than 81 minus 18 into PB. Now both are multiply with the minus, then it is the 12x, it is the less than change to greater than. Now it is the 18 into PB minus 81. Now write it is answer is 12x minus 81, take left side, that means plus 81 is greater than 18 into PB. Now it is the, what is the common factor here? Now here it is answer is 4x plus 27 is greater than 6 into PB. We take both sides square, that means 4x plus 27 whole square is greater than 6 whole square, that means 36 into PB square. 4x plus 27 whole square, it is bracket, open it, that means ante 4x whole square, that means 16 square plus 2ab, 2 4 the 8, 8 into 27 answer is 216 plus 216 into x plus 27 whole square answer is the 529 is greater than 36 into, we know that PB square answer, look here, PB square means this one, x plus 3 whole square, and that means x square plus 6x plus 9, x plus 3 whole square plus y square plus y square. Now it is 16x square plus 216x plus 529 is greater than, multiply with 36, that means 36 into x square, 36 into 6, 216, 36 into 6, 6 3 is 180, 6 6 is 36, that means 216 x plus 36 into 9, 36 into 9, 9 6 is 54, 5 carry 4, 9 3 is 27, 27 plus 5, 3, 32, the 324 plus 36 into y, 36 y square. Now 216 cancel. Now it is answer is the here 16x square, here 36x square. Now write it is 16x square minus 36, answer is the, now 16x square, now 36 36x square, take left side, that means 16x square minus 36 and minus 20x square. Now it is the plus 36y square, now it is the minus 30y square, 36y square. Now it is the 529 plus 529, here it is the minus 324 is greater than 0. Now it is the minus 20x square minus 36y square plus 529 minus 324, it is answer is the, now it is okay, how much here, sorry, now here 729 it is also 729, now it is the 729, now it's 729 minus 324, answer is the plus 405 is greater than 0. Now both side multiply with minus, that means 20x square plus 36y square minus 405 is less than 0, minus 405, it will be go to right side, then we will get here positive, that means 20x square plus 36y square is greater than 405. It is the required option, 20x square plus 36y square is less than 405. It is the A is the option. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.
Description lo టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ లింక్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ ఛానల్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. మీకు షార్ట్ కట్స్, మోడల్ పేపర్స్ అండ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ పీడిఎఫ్ రూపంలో లభించును.